Remove screws to disassemble the rear panel. Remove the cover of the mainboard box. Cut the cable tie off the wire harness. Locate the plug plugged into the mainboard along the probe wire. Remove the hot melt adhesive from the plug with the tip of a pair of scissors. Unplug. Cut the sponge tie of the evaporator probe wire. Remove the hot melt adhesive holding the probe with the tip of a pair of scissors. Remove the old evaporator probe. Replace it with a new evaporator probe. Tighten the evaporator probe with a shrapnel. Plug the other end of the probe wire into the slot on the mainboard. Wrap the copper tubes in insulation foam and tie them tightly. Stroke the wire harness neatly and tighten it with a cable tie. Secure the mainboard box cover with a hot melt glue gun. Restore the machine's back plate and screw it in place.